We're all set here inside the Cebu City Sports Institute for our final and last game. It's J Project Boomers against the New Jersey Husay. Niya ba alongside Coach or Sir? Sir Jay. Good evening, Sir Jay. Long time no partner. Welcome back and I miss you.
Na-miss kita eh. Ang tagal natin di nagkita, mga 2 years din. But, eto na tayo with J Project and Husay facing off for the last game for tonight.
As Project Duterte with a catch out there. Nakasama din natin on the sideline. We have Rode Sinadhan and si Princess Hernandez. Silang dalawa ang ating makakwentuhan sa courtside, sir. Pero tignan mo natin ngayon, it's gonna be a tough, I know it's gonna be a physical game dito sa Sawa.
Yes, knowing the brand of basketball na nilalaro nitong dalawang kupunan, hindi na tayo magkariningan.
But you know, Coach, Sir Jay, no? What's the advantage here nitong New Jersey? Because alam natin, they don't rely on their talent, but they rely on their system. Alam natin, itong mga players na ito, they don't play physical. They just play with how they run, kung paano nila posisyon yung sarili nila. But contradicting naman itong J Project kasi alam natin mga Pinoy ito eh, no? They will really play physical. They will get into your mind, gigibain yung laro mo eh.
And speaking of, itong New Jersey kanina sa kanilang panalo, yun na nga, yung sinasabi mo, they just play their system at laro lang sila kung anong pinagagawas nila. They do their role and they're effective at it up to this point.
Kaya I told Edgy Morales kanina na, bro, you need to be tough because your opponent will play physical. You know, Filipinos, we love to play physical and that's not your thing. Though you have a Filipino blood, pero yung laro sa labas, iba talaga. Again.
Lalo, kanina pa si Lalo eh.
Diba? Nakita natin.
Sabi mo physical, ayun na nga.
And the wide or the build favors our New Jersey. Coach, ang lalaki ng braso itong mga players na ito.
Halatang nagbubuhat to sa gym eh.
Elias Cas to the other side. Edel Mundas Mintes.
Here's Lalo for Husay, muntik ng maagawan.
Flores Duncan for free!
At yun na nga, hindi tayo nagkakarinigan. Ubusan na ng boses nito after this game.
They just need to continue what they're doing, Coach. You know, talk more inside the floor. Kasi nga alam naman natin, ito mga players ng J Project kung gaano ka-talented din to. We'll be right back for more.
J Project.
Back to the ball game. Sir J, no? Napakaganda ng start. Itong Husay, New Jersey. Kita mo naman yung kanilang full court press, pero may report muna sa atin si Rode, si Princess.
For the J Project Boomers, and not their first rodeo here at Sinag Liga Asia, Kenji Chogmoral alongside his teammates are stepping into the court with nothing but the championship in mind. For sure, they are coming full force dahil malakas rin ang kanilang mga kalaban. The main focus is to keep strong on their roles. Chemistry is all set, and so are they. How about you, Princess? How's Husay, New Jersey?
Confident is what head coach Nick Gazzardo is. Today, pre-game, he told me that they are well prepared for this matchup and are set to pin the J Project Boomers hard with pressure. As per his key players, Husay, New Jersey will be activating their bigs, Edrin Morales and Desmond Collian. From his words, if they both get the space, the team can definitely shoot baskets. Back to you, Jay and Nino.
Thank you so much for that report, no? Totoo dyan, they need itong ang kupunan ng J Project, Coach, no? Kailangan nila full force dito. Kasi nga nakita natin, they have the talent, but you know the system of New Jersey dito. They call for a horse play right now. Titignan natin kung saan sila pupunta as the Morales brothers pop out.
And Chogmoral earlier almost losing his cool there. He's warned with a technical foul or warning.
Because the steal by Lalo. And out of bounds.
And ito na nga, speaking of physical, parang hindi rin nagpapatalo itong New Jersey sa physical.
Totoo dyan, Sir Jay, no?
they seem to have adjusted. Kasi nga, pang-apat na araw na nila to and they have been facing Filipino teams who are physical during the previous games. Kaya I believe nakapag-adjust na sila kahit konti.
Ito, Pinoy versus Kano.
Pero puro Pinoy naman ito. May mga foreign blood nga lang. And it rims out. Morales 3-point.
Morales, wide open. 3-pointer. Rattles out to them. Ito talaga yung sistema ng US coach, no? If you have an open shot from downtown, why not take it kahit nga may mga libreng shot na? As Iliescas misses his jumper here. That's a unsportsmanlike foul.
Oh, losing his cool is Iliescas. Hindi makakatulong sa kanila yan. At eto na, Iliescas. Pero ayan, nangangalahati ang lamang.
Last ball.
Morales with a free throw here. Eto Morales sinking the first technical.
First one doon. Ito si Morales.
Pero itong J Project kasi nag-a-adjust pa din kasi yung iba, some of the players like Duterte and Moral are not actually teammates, so ayun, they have to adjust to the style of play of the team.
So this is the palaro all-star, no? So some of them, first time pa nga magkakasama. They have the talent, but you know, it's hard to build the chemistry. Lalo sa ganito mga 5 days tournament last.
Mabilisan lang to eh. Protesting Moral for 3 short.
4 minutes change here. Lalo, pull up, gulat sila doon.
Yan. Actually, Lalo has been doing that even in the previous game. And you have to remember, naglaro pa to, hindi lang katagalan.
Ranieses, kakapasok lang. Here comes Edil Mundas. Ranieses. Duterte wants it. Against Morales. Oh, holy! Pero may foul doon.
And quick thinking for Morales there. Kasi anduan sana yan kung hindi niya pinakialaman eh.
Yeah, totoo. But you know, credit also to the help defense, no? Ano ta alam, scouted ni Morales. No? Itong si Derek Duterte, sasagasa talaga to. So, pulling the chair, alam niya na andun kagad yung help ng kanyang kapatid din, si Morales.
Magkakapatid na Morales inside the playing court right now, playing for New Jersey Husay. As Duterte misses the second throw.
17-8. 3-pointer, miss shot. Duterte, almost a steal. Moral, Eurostep. Moral, score! And the quick timeout para sa Husay, New Jersey. They don't want itong J Project, Sir J, na makabuild ng momentum, and they don't want that fans na nasa screen natin ngayon na ma-engage dito sa ball game natin.
And
We'll be right back after this timeout. Stay tuned, 17-7. (17-10) now, 7-point lead for New Jersey Husay.
they will have the ball. And just earlier, Moral showing why he is choked Moral here. Sabi kanina. The jumper by Moral is short, but he gets his own miss. Colian from the corner! And Colian with a 3-pointer.
Colian, he is a stretch 5. He can shoot outside. Mundas Duterte. Derek Duterte scores again.
Sabi ni Duterte, excuse me.
Nagpapakilala din no?
Pero kasi yung build ni Duterte talaga din eh.
Lalo. Attacks from the baseline. Morales. 8 seconds to shoot. Nice feed. Guzardo. Kick out. Lalo with 5 seconds. Lalo from downtown.
Oh, Lalo, 3 points.
That's a technical for taunting.
Oh, yun nga lang. Warning for no, that's a technical foul on Lalo. Unnecessary din naman kasi. Pero sa bagay, yung emotions kasi.
Yup, nadala din siya, no? Because the shots are falling for them, Sir Jay. And, against
Moral.
at saka a talented team, no? A crowd favorite, title contender na team.
And eto na nga. Etong J Project, a chance to inch closer. Trailing by 10. Mundas, the spin, the shot, everything but the shot from Mundas is Moral. Pinanta yung
Moral.
depensa.
Butata dun.
No, walang tawag.
Yup, we just love the fairness nitong tawag ng ating official,
Oo.
Sir Jay, no? Makapal sa makapal. As Guzardo attacks.
No call there, and there's Duterte.
Here comes Kenji Moral. Choke with a 2-pointer. The lead cut down to 8.
And the crowd is electric. Hindi na kami magkarinigan sa loob ng Cebu City Sports Institute here in Sawang Calero Gym. Here comes Duterte against Kuya. Duterte, nangalabay. Duterte, wala.
Nice shot.
Duterte has it.
That's a
may
foul. On Guzardo.
Duterte and Kuyan exchanging pleasantries. And that's sportsmanship.
Yeah, pero we love the sportsmanship, no? Yan nga sabi natin, Sir Jay, no? Ang mabait nito.
Altercation on the floor.
Now they will add height dito kasi nga alam natin though Colleen is taller than the players nitong J Project, pero yung toughness alam natin, yung kung paano aararo sina Duterte, sina Illescas, Buholano, Ranieses, tsaka Durango, andyan pa.
Andyan pa pala si Durango.
Ranieses.
Oh! Nice play. Good recognition.
Nasabal. Pull up for the big man. Moral against Colleen. Extra feed. Nice find.
The Moral Duterte connection.
You love the connection right there.
Oo. Dating magkatunggalian sa sa palarong pambansa. Right now, they're teammates. As Lalo.
Nice fake right there.
Capitano number 5 is Yusef Danyeses.
Hindi na tayo magkarinigan dito sa loob ng Cebu City Sports Institute, Sawang Calero Gym.
Lalo. 12 to shoot. Lalo, extra feed. Colleen, he has that range. Too strong for Colleen. Corner pass. Guevara. Missed shot. And a putback for Ranieses. Direction, that was Edwin Mundas.
Duterte and Colleen talking.
Lalo tries to attack. Lalo escapes. Lalo will score.
Eto, mental toughness din kailangan
Oh. Ranieses to beat the buzzer here. I love the physicality right now for both squad. For New Jersey, they just need to play physical here. Will be attack. J Projects basketball. New guard here for them. It's Domingo from Digos, no? Ito si Domingo.
Ooh, getting his own miss.
As reverse.
Wala.
Hinahanap talaga nila si Flores Duncan, no?
He has been a main point of Husay here. Uy, lalo. Once
One
more.
escape, put back by Colain. Snatching it from the hands of Duterte.
Oh,
Say stolen away by Moral. Whoa! Good challenge here.
Oy, offensive foul.
Nope. And now, gusto nilang pikunin itong si Guzardo.
Ngayon, paano i-handle ng ating mga officials? So, pero sa tingin ko, mga veterano itong mga referee natin eh.
Oh, syempre sila Jerome.
Mga mainstay ko dito sa basketball scene sa Cebu eh.
Foul on number 13 is
Dylan Guzardo with a second personal foul. Oh, that's another good steal here. Flores Duncan gets a two-pointer.
Magaling din tong batang to si Flores Duncan.
27-21. 6-point lead. Cross-court pass to Moral. Here comes Kenji. Denied from behind by Casabal.
A clean block there. Oy, Moral with a steal.
That is a careless pass. Moral can't get it.
No foul called. Moral asking for the contact.
Walang all-star dito.
Oo.
You need to earn every foul. Ibenta mo sa referee to convince them. As a three-pointer for Guzardo.
And
The foul.
that's an obvious one. Medyo malakas yun. But he was going for the ball actually, so to say.
That's a warning for the bench. Itong J Project for unsportsmanlike behavior.
And eto na naman, Duterte and Colyan. Duterte trying to get into the head of Colyan. Colyan losing it.
And now Korean pointing at the score.
Yes!
Kung sino yung lamang. That's a technical for Derek Duterte for taunting.
Duterte. Called a technical foul on Duterte for taunting.
He needs to be careful here. Yung tactic nila na to get into the minds itong kanilang kalaban.
Baka mag-backfire.
Sa kanila ngayon.
Oo.
Pumapasok.
At Bautista missing that.
Ngayon naman coach, pakinggan muna natin itong mga update mula kay Ruday and Princess.
Dito sa second quarter, J Project are heightening up their defense with head coach Phil Jimena on the sidelines. There's a definite need for them to be all over the court as Husay, New Jersey are also sneaking up trying to shoot baskets. Head coach Phil Jimena's message to the team, I hope you will play together and win the championships. Let's see how this goes. Princess, kamusta ang New Jersey?
You know what, Ruday, the team chemistry over here for the Husay, New Jersey is working well so far for the team. Defense-wise, they have been consistent with the full-court press, and in the offensive side, they have been trusting each other in terms of...
Aranesek!
From the sidelines, I was able to talk to last game POG Desmond Collian, and he told me that everyone has been playing their role. And because of this, they are now taking the lead. Back to you, Jay Anino.
Thank you so much for the updates. Dito sa ating dalawang team, no? As Domingo able to get that ball. Di na magkarinigan dito sa loob ng Sawang Calero as Domingo scores over Dylan Guzardo.
Domingo there. Oh, my foul.
That's a foul away from the ball. That's on Eliescas.
Foul on Eliescas, number 74. Lalong uminit ang loob ng Cebu City Sports Institute here sa Sawang Calero.
27-25. Sir Jay, Oh, I need to stand up na.
Okay.
Kasi nga, para makuha natin dito. That's a missed shot once again. The good pickup by Colian. Bautista. Goes to the corner. Bautista. He has this range. Colian. Missed shot. Rebound by Domingo.
Oh, bump foul by Colian. Colian with a bump foul there. And baseline or sideline inbound.
14 foul for Husay, New Jersey.
Oh, and we still have 5 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Iliescas, wala.
Good help defense by Colain doon. 27 to 25.
Dalawa lang ang laman.
Lakindanong to Morales. Colain. Pull up for two. Colain scores.
Yes, that's his range.
One-on-one dito. Domingo. Sinalubong. Lisingo.
Oh! The speed! Ito nga, prime example ng speed kills eh.
Yan talaga yung strength ito si Domingo, no? Speed and control.
Here's the
shot
rebound.
from Morales.
Here he comes.
2 shots.
And Lakindanon, wala nang nagawa si Lakindanon kung yun foul. Or that's actually, yes, Lakindanon.
So it's gonna be 2 shots here.
Eto, magiging mahaba itong second quarter. Kasi nga, penalty na ang New Jersey Husay. Domingo with a free throw here.
Domingo with his first one here. 29 to 28.
He can tie the ball game. And he does.
2 made free throws for Domingo. And Lalo checks back here for the side of New Jersey. Nakabantay dito si Mamawag, the finals MVP of palaro. Let's say off one for Lalo.
Eto na naman si Domingo.
Question here, if they maintain this kind of mismatch. Oh! Basket counts. Hinahanap nila si Colain doon no? Si Colain yung sumasalubong nito si Domingo. At alam naman natin, yung mismatch doon, speed over or favors to Domingo Kaya kinakain niya, dinadaanan. Pag nakadaan nitong si Domingo dito, tapos sa tao nitong si Colain, wala nang rim
Wala na,
protector doon.
oo, wala nang nakabantay. It was easy for Domingo to convert.
Here comes Doris Duncan. Colain. The handoff. Denied. Cross-court pass. Shot clock at 10. Morales stolen away. Forward pass. Ilieska scores. Gets the end.
Foul. And a foul on, I believe, Duncan Flores.
Ilieska's asking for some review, no? But sabi ng ating official,
Pero that's a good hard play
Oo.
and foul eh.
though tinamaan yung mata mo, but, you know, that was just all ball The contest was for the ball. And now we have a timeout for Husay, New Jersey. We'll be right back.
And we are back to the ball game. Ilieska set to take his bonus throw here. And he completes that three-point opportunity. Lamang na ngayon.
Morales tries to attack here. Picks up that dribble, nowhere to go. Bounce pass. Flores Duncan.
Ilieska with a monster rebound. Oh, Flores Duncan. with a foul there. Ito na sa talking about being physical. Ito yung sinasabi ko, hahaba tong second quarter.
Blake Duncan Flores right here with the first personal foul. It will be 2 shots for Domingo.
Alam magkasing height lang to si Duncan Flores at saka si Domingo. Pero Domingo seems to be the quicker one here.
Oo, ano.
Oo nga, wala eh. Pati tayo na i-excite eh.
Miss shot.
Ooh, missed on that second throw.
Here's Gonzalo. Morales from downtown.
No.
Miss shot. Here comes Domingo. Transition.
Wala na. Mauna na ng dalawang hakbang dun si Domingo, babay na eh.
Oo. Diba, pag di mo nakita, nalibre pala si Domingo. Gonzalo to Flores. Pull up for 2.
Oh,
That's
short.
an air ball. Ranieses. Eliascas. Pull up for 2. That's good.
Eto na, umaangat na ang J Project Boomers.
The biggest lead so far, 11 points.
And all the shots falling for J Project here. On the other hand, oh, foul on Ejorango.
Pushing foul on number 20. That's Alexander Ivanov.
That's a foul
That's his first personal foul on J Project Boomer.
for J Project. Oh, nice spin by Gonzalo.
Hindi kakayanin ni Domingo yun.
Domingo. That's escape.
Domingo.
This losing by Domingo.
Walking on number 16 is Joey Domingo for faking a foul.
40-31. Lead is 9.
And here's Duncan Flores. Or Flores Duncan, baliktad pala.
Gonzalo. Dylan
2 minutes.
picks up that ball. Morales behind the back dribble. Drops it. Reverse. Denied. But recovered. Flores. Oh!
Morales never giving up on that sequence. And he was rewarded with the 2 points.
And yeses. Mamawag. For 3. Bang! Mamawag. Yan yung isa sa mga nagpaula ng 3 sa palarong pambansa finals.
Oo nga. Oh, Cuzardo.
Flyby. Morales. Miss shot. Gozardo. Asking for some foul here. Pull up. That's a miss one. Easy putback for Ranieses.
Jose Reneses.
That's a foul on Duncan. Or Domingo rather.
Oh, another foul on Domingo. You see Team tumakbo exiting the court.
59.7 seconds. At an intense
Mga
first half here, Coach Sir J, no?
Oo, mga 3 possession pa to.
Because Mamawag denied! What a recovery!
Oh, ayun na naman. Kolyan. Tingin ko Kolyan is affected by the mind games being played by some of the players of the J Project.
Kaya nagigipagsabayan din siya, no?
Oo.
Nagigipag-trash talk din siya. Kasi alam mo naman, in the streets of US, Lalo na ito, New York, New Jersey.
Oo nga, no?
Yung physikalan, yung street ball. He loves to play that as Colain misses that jumper. Durango gets the two-pointer.
Alex Durango.
Guzardo. Ten to shoot.
And
No more shot clock.
yes, wala nang shot clock.
Seconds here.
Hindi hahabot.
At the end of the first half, the score is 49 for Jay Project.
Flores Duncan. Di na umabot doon yung kanyang bitaw. We'll be right back after this halftime break. 25%, 2 out of 8 nitong J Project. But you know, the free throws din. 11 attempts compared to 3 para dito sa kubunan ng J Project Boomers. And coach, Sir J, 25 rebounds compared to 7. Lamang itong J Project dito. And then, yung assist 11 to 5. So, it just, you know, message us na they share the ball more compared dito sa husay.
And the numbers tell the story here as they're up. Pero Morales, muntik na. And ball possession will go back to New Jersey Husay. Ayan na, nagkakandabulol-bulol na ako.
Husay, New Jersey. Gusto din nilang humabol talaga dito, no? Though they're down by 14. As Morales with a good slip right there.
O nga naman, they traveled so far.
12 na lang ito. Mundas. Now playing for Letra Knights. Ito si Edville Mundas. Former Davao. Oh! Derek Duterte. Ito si Derek nga. Alam talaga natin, maasar to no?
Oo. And pero hindi maipagkakaila ang kanyang galing sa ila, especially under the basket. That's his spot there.
Here comes Lalo. Double team. Guzardo drives. Drops it. Stolen away. Here comes Moral. Moral. Denied partially right there. And the putback. Mintes. Stolen away. Lalo. Threadling the middle here. Drops it. And a foul for Morales.
200 slam for Morales and a foul on Lalo.
And a foul here by Lalo.
Foul on number 3, the Sebastian Lalo. That's his 4th team.
One for the highlights there for Morales.
52 to 39. Kaya ako nakakita, Sir Junko, na yung mga tao dito sa Cebu, di na-hype up ng isang dunk.
Oo nga.
Because how they love itong opponent eh.
And here comes New Jersey Husay off a turnover there. Errant pass.
Oh, what an escape here by Morales. One-on-one, patay. Tatakbuhan ka talaga.
Tingnan natin ang gagawin ng nice pass inside.
Off the glass, that's a miss. Rebound by Flores Duncan. Here comes Morales. That's a foul.
Foul on Chogs Moral.
Foul on number 71 is Benjamin Brown. That's his first team foul on J Project Boomers.
Chog Moral with the first personal foul right there. Morales at the line right now.
And babalik sa loob ng court etong si number 16 ng J Project.
Morales right here gets the second free throw.
Eto na si Domingo, nagbabalik.
Actually, nadulas doon si Domingo. That bounce. Guevara from downtown. That save. Goes to Guzardo.
Foul.
That's a foul on Guevara.
Bump foul on Guevara.
Foul on number 30 is Guy Guevara. That's his first 17 foul.
Yes.
May wet spot tayo dito.
Oo, delikado yan. Considering the fact na ang bibilas nitong dalawang team na ito. And ito na ngayon.
Making sure na safety ito ating mga players, no?
Oo. Here comes the inbound. Morales has the ball. Uy, naiwanan yung depensa, but nandun si Duterte.
This is just 10 now. Domingo against Flores Duncan. Now look pass. Out of bounds.
And the New Jersey coaching staff challenging the call. They're asking for a review. Okay, we will have a review here.
Oh, you see. Challenge here for Husay, New Jersey.
Ayan, Nino. Having covered a lot of games, ano sa tingin mo ang dapat gawin dito ng, especially itong New York or New Jersey Husay, para ma-maintain yung kanilang composure?
Lalo.
Considering na yung crowd favorable dito sa J Project Boomers being considered as a local team.
Yeah, they just need to neglect all the factors na makakasira sa kanilang mindset dito, Jay, no? And kailangan lang gawin is to listen to their coach, stay focused, stay hungry. Lalo na, napaka-importante ng game na to. If they lost this game, uuwi na sila.
Oo.
Pero if they win this game, aabante sila bukas. They will stay and they can have an upset against one of these talented teams dito sa ating tournament. For J Project naman, kailangan lang gawin nila dito, maintain what they're doing. Kasi, di ba? Why fix? If it is not broken.
Yes.
And you will have the talent. But what you don't have right now is the chemistry because nga sa short span itong ating tournament, and alam din natin ngayon lang kayo nagkasama-sama sa isang ball game.
And so, consistency is the key here. The question is, paano kaya nila ma-maintain yan? Yan nga, considering the factors na ngayon lang sila nagkakasama. On the other hand, ito namang New Jersey Husay, siguro naka-acclimatize na sila sa panahon dito sa Pinas. Kasi they've been staying here for almost a week already. So, when they're back to the ball game,
Challenge successful.
The challenge of Husay, New Jersey is successful.
all right, successful challenge. They will have ball possession.
That was a good challenge for Coach Nicolas Guzardo, no?
And chance here to inch a little bit closer as Flores Duncan to Colyan.
That's another blocking foul here.
On number 12.
At ngayon, may update sa atin. Si Roday, sinadhan. Roday.
Now for the other half of the game, Chog Moral from the sidelines were reminding his team to ease from the pressure since they were very aggressive. Nawawala ang chemistry sa sobrang gigil. Derek Duterte, on the other hand, said that the opposing team's offense is quite difficult to read. Even when leading the scoreboard, they still find themselves with a struggle. As the play goes on, Princess, how will it be for Husay, New Jersey?
Rude, we all saw it. Husay, New Jersey had a strong start but lagged behind by the end of the first half. From the sidelines, coaches saw it to be a result of impatience because instead of responding smartly, they were trying to bump heads with their opponents. To restart, assistant coach Jay Lumang reminded them to work on their twos and defense first before shooting on sure threes. They still have a lot of time, he then reassured, in the intention of making them come back to their game. Back to you, Jay Anino.
Thank you so much sa mga update na yan, no? And na-mention nga ni Rode na itong Team J Project sa first half natin, nawala yung chemistry at composure nila, Sir J, no? Dahil nga sa gigil. What they want on that first half, magulo nga itong laro nitong New Jersey at nakuha naman nila yan sa second quarter.
Oh, another two-handed slam for Morales here. Pangalawa na yan.
Maybe that dunk can give them a spark, no? Because of that beautiful cut. Itong si Morales, nahuling tulog itong depensa ng J Project.
Oh, Domingo,
Wow.
the crafty move.
Grabe, nakarugby. Yung sapatos ni Domingo doon eh. Yung pivot, hindi mo magalaw eh.
Oo.
Flores Duncan. That's a big shot here. Moral. Here comes Chog. Bumping body save. Oh. 6-7. That's a technical. Bawi din si Colin. Six, seven daw eh.
Chogs Moral call for a taunting there. Julian, oh, missing the free throw.
Colin missing that one.
And they will have possession of the ball here. I'm talking about New Jersey Husay. 3:24 remaining in the third quarter.
Flores Duncan against this 2-3 zone. Itong J Project Boomers. Morales again.
Oh! Complaining there is the coaching staff.
No look pass by Chog. Ang tatangkad ng dinaanan kaya nasubalbal.
Oo. Sumabit.
Whoa!
Uy, wala.
Ganda na.
Yescas with the rebound.
Domingo here. It's highlight after highlight, Sir J.
Oo, bawi yan eh.
Pero, the problem here, this doesn't favor for New Jersey kasi nga, sila yung nag-aabol dito ng 10 points.
Oh, foul, hacking foul. On Julian, I believe.
You know, for New Jersey here, sa kanilang mga help defense, kailangan nila itaas yung kamay nila no? Nakukuha na si Duterte. Duterte is an undersized big man.
Oo.
Nasusupalpal nila eh. They got all the check here against Duterte.
Yeah, look at that.
That's a foul again.
Foul again on
Julian.
Julian.
Foul on number 67, this was William. That's his fourth personal.
Yun lang yung problem doon for Colin. That's his fourth personal foul.
As Duterte makes that free throw. Na, balik sa 11 ang lamang.
Oo.
12 na ngayon.
Substitution.
Grabe yung free throw ni Duterte, no? Sa term pa natin, pamugas.
Pamugas o mamugasay. And here's Flores Duncan. Uy, nabitawan ni Morales. Chog na agawan.
Nice find to Morales. Morales now. Back to 10. Iliescas. Oh! Iliescas with a strong drive. Just putting that ball in the middle. Alam niya, though athletic ito mga Morales, pero mas nakabuelo siya, Sir J.
Oo. And you cannot deny the fact na medyo mas makapal din ang katawan itong si Elias as compared to the Morales.
Oo, no, makukuha niya
Oo.
sa ere because of that upper body strength.
Oo.
Iron
na?
Duterte. Pang-apat na ata para sa kanya.
Oo.
That's his first.
Si Elias as compared to the Morales.
Oo, no, makukuha niya.
Yung kanina eh. For
Oo,
taunting.
no. Hindi ba counted yan as a personal?
Well, let's...
Di ba?
Oo nga, no?
Puro J for Morales.
Morales.
Here comes Domingo. Domingo nagmamadali. Domingo gives it to Guevara for the three-pointer. And Guevara!
Big shot for Guevara.
Tuwang-tuwa yung mga dalaga dito sa loob ng Coliseum.
Oh, Dylan Luzardo.
But Husay cannot just exchange baskets here.
Yep, totoo dyan. Domingo, flyby. Extra feed. Duterte, libre. This is 17 na.
Oo.
Ay, di ba? 12 pala. Miscalculated lang.
That's
Morales.
54-68.
Too strong.
Masyadong malakas.
Too short eh. Kenji Moral. Yes, sir. Pati si nanay doon sa taas, kinilig.
Tuwang-tuwa si nanay eh. And wala na, hindi na pumapasok. But Husay cannot be disappointed or discouraged here.
Natawa tayo kay nanay doon eh, no? Parang nagka-trip to memory lane lang. Kala niya si Gabi at si Sharon to.
Oo nga no, kilala mo pala yun?
Oh, syempre. All in one. Flores Duncan against Moral. Kenji.
Uy, napakalayo.
Short resog. 10 seconds. Forward pass. Flores Duncan. With 2 seconds. Alright, Kenji. Let's this one fly. It is 15-point lead now. Para sa kabunan ng J Project. Not one falls for Guzardo. 13-point yung kanilang hinahabol, coach.
12 na lang ngayon.
Oo.
Domingo gives it back to Elias Moral. Uy, yun lang. Masyadong malamya ang pasa.
That is a offensive foul.
Offensive foul on Guzardo. Hindi kasi kumagat si Elias doon sa sidestep niya eh.
Good read for Iliescas. Nasabi niya doon na ang dami ko nang nakitang mas slow pa sa slow step na yun.
Oo. Kumbaga batang veterano din tong si Elias eh.
I've witnessed more than that. Tsaka alam naman natin, dito, dito sa bansang to, nagsimula yung Pinoy step na yan.
Oo. Here's Moral.
Domingo.
Ayan lang. Pinatid or napatid ni Bautista.
Oo, kaya nga natumba dun eh, no?
Foul on number 2 is Blake Duncan. That's his fourth.
Blake Duncan.
Foul on your side, New Jersey.
That's his first, or fourth, rather. Oh, nice catch and shoot.
But nothing there. As Guzardo. Kasi yung husay, hindi mo parang walang main man eh kung sino ba talagang pupuntos or mag-direct. I like that. Wala eh.
You know, yung reason bakit sila lumamang on that first quarter. Nawala na ngayon, that hot 3-point shooting. They hit 6 3-pointers sa first quarter natin. But right after that,
Wala na.
nagmintis sila ng 13. Or
Eh,
more than 13 right now.
It could possibly be because as well na itong J Project nakapag-adjust din eh.
Oo. Moral. Pass deflected. Extra feed.
Ranyeses for the 3.
Yes, sir.
Here comes.
Big shot to Ranyeses. Lead is back to 15.
At eto na nga, dapat pumunto sila dito. Fumbles the ball. Bautista has it. Oh, nice make. Bautista, lumabas. But Julian also unable to drain that in. And here's Guzardo for 3. Ayun, same result kanina, yung tres niya. Siguro pagod na rin nung si Guzardo.
Kaya kailangan na magpahinga. Ito sila Fortune ha. For New Jersey, tahimik din ngayon.
There's Ranyeses once again. Oh, malamya yung pasa.
No transition offense for New Jersey. Husay ngayon.
Tira ng tira pero walang pumapasok. Hindi na pumapasok. You have to factor in the fatigue eh. Ayun. Yun lang.
Pass off the glass.
Naagaw pa ni Elias, ni Pico.
Another one. Pero ngayon may report tayo coming from Roday and Princess.
We're down to the final stretch of the play, and I don't think the intensity is going away. Head coach Phil Jimena would constantly emphasize about the momentum, as this can be the key to pave the way for a championship. He doesn't plan on going easy because he told his team to go hard and make no easy baskets. One thing about the J Project Boomers, lalaban talaga sila. Princess, kamusta ka dyan?
Ang hirap.
And unless New Jersey Husay do something here, and I mean something, parang mahihirapan sila dito. Diba, only 4 minutes left.
The time is not on their side, no?
Oo. Medyo kung titingnan mo mahaba pa, but considering yung lamang,
Si Lalo matagal nakaupo sa bench dito. Asla Fortune with the air ball.
short on that shot there. Ooh, the pass inside. What a crafty move. Wala na magagawa doon eh.
Ganda ng ginawa ni Pico doon, no? Lalo.
Wala na talaga eh. One and done for New Jersey Husay. Here's a steal. Oh!
That's a foul.
Sumabit lang si Domingo.
Ano, kita mo yung Morales, no? Morales just want to leave a statement here.
Kaya lang sabi ni Domingo, wag muna.
No time for highlight.
So eto na nga. And with 3 minutes remaining, Morales will be going to the free throw line. He'll shoot these 2 free throws. Unang tira, pasok. And again, time is not on their side. Second throw, no. Ranyeses with the rebound. Ranyeses set to court the mid-court line here, or past the mid-court line. Inside pass to Pico. Pico, the fake, and the basket.
Kita ni Pico na yung ginagawa nitong New Jersey na depensa. Sir J, no? One-on-one lang.
Oo.
Pag nagamitan niya ng peke, pag kumagat yung kanya
Wala
opponent.
na eh.
Oo, libre na.
And Pico already did that twice here. 2 in a row. Ooh, masyadong malakas. And there's a foul. Morales with a foul there.
Foul on number 7,
And 2:26, wala pang nasa penalty. Domingo will do the inbounds here on Yeses. And Moral will be taken out of the ball game. Mamawag.
Oo, si Chog, no? Kailangan mo na iupo kasi alam nga natin, bukas, ito
Oo.
yung final game.
Yes, and even Duterte nakaupo na rin. As Pico Turan Yeses. Pico with the jumper, no. And here comes the Husay. Just short, and Domingo will slowly bring the ball up the court. Ooh, a foul there by Casabal.
foul on number 15.
Foul on number 15, Casabal. And substitutions are being made here.
His first 14.
And this could be it for New Jersey Husay. Banging bodies there.
Safe to say, Sir J, no, na we're just waiting sa ating final score dito.
Foul
Oo.
on number 27.
And that big of a lead there.
Riley Bautista. That's his first
It's a 22-point advantage. At yung mga tao medyo dahan-dahan ang umalis. Pero nag-aabang lang pala kay Chog dun sa, sa gate.
Oo.
Mundas gets that one.
Substitution na dito.
Labas na yung mga starters.
Bulano. Napasok na din.
And eto na nga, a minute and 38. And this is Legendawon, wala. This has been an exciting game towards the end. J Project just too much for New Jersey Husay here. Arapok with a 3-0. And Delica, a putback there. Pinzon, inside. Casabal for 3. Pinabayaan na lang.
Oo.
And I guess this will be it.
Yeah, they will just dribble this one out, no?
Ayun. Scrap basketball na to. Just waiting for the formalities here. And the ball game, the final score.
So that's it. Our final score. 88-64.
And ayun na nga mga kaibigan, that concludes the ball game here. 88 against 64.
At the end of the ball game, the score is 64 for the New Jersey and 88 for the J Project Boomers.
Thank you so much mga kaibigan for being with us.
So ito nga our final score. 88-64, Sir J. Yan nila, Swords.
And bukas, nasa Cebu Coliseum tayo for all of the finals game. Hindi pa?